Hello and welcome to Beach Park School District's video on how to digitize a document for students to interact with in Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to do is have two screens open, two tabs open. The first one is going to be the PDF of the document that you want your students to be able to use. And the second one is a Google Slides presentation. You're going to first thing you always do in Google Slides is to change the title of the document, and let's change this to something that's going to match my assignment, the one and only Ivan. Section 1. All right. I'm going to get rid of these background text boxes. I don't need that. I'm just going to need to have a blank Google slide. So go ahead and delete those. All right. Head over to your PDF. Now we're going to take a screenshot here. We're actually going to just capture the part of the screen that we want our students to be able to see. To do that, you're going to press the Control, Shift, and the screen capture key, which is above the number 6 on your keyboard. It looks like a rectangle with two lines on it. Press those simultaneously. When you do that, your screen should go gray. And I'm going to click and drag over the area that I want my students to be able to see. All right, that screenshot is taken. So now I can head back over to my Google slide. Go to File, and then go down to Page Setup. We're going to change this to Custom. Change it to 8.5 by 11, standard sheet of paper. And what this is going to do is it's going to change your Google slide from looking like a presentation to looking like a piece of paper. All right, I'm going to click on Background. I'll choose my image, and I'm going to go into Browse My Uploads, and I'm going to choose the file that I just took a screen capture of. So click Open. And done. All right, so now this is set as the background, and your students will not actually be able to move or manipulate or delete any of this. This is going to just be there. All right, so now we want our students to be able to interact with the document that we have. So we're going to go to our text box and draw the text box right over the lines. And then we'll go to the fill color, the paint can, and we're going to change that to white. And it's going to cover up the lines. And then I can write type answer here. And your students then will be able to click into this text box and answer the question. All right. And you'll do that for all of the places on the document where you want your students to be able to type. But now let's say we would like our students to answer a multiple choice question. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the shapes, and I'll select the circle, and I'm going to just drag this so that it is an oval. And I'm going to go up to the paint can again. This time I'm going to make it transparent. For a student to be able to change this into, to be able to select an answer, they're going to want to be able to see through it. So again, paint can, and you want to change that to transparent so that they can see the answer that they're selecting. And down in the speaker notes, you can just add, drag the oval over the correct answer. One of the things that you probably would want to do, though, is go up to border weight, change it to something a little darker. You might even want to change the color on it. to make it a little bit more visible for the students. All right, now this document can be uploaded into your Google Classroom for your students to be able to work with. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to someone from the coaching staff. We're available to help you at any time. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.